Here are the materials you'll need. To begin, measure your velvet fabric. For a big pumpkin, cut a 10 by 20 inch rectangle. If you want one this shorter size, cut a 6 by 20 inch piece. For a small one, cut a 5 by 10 inch piece. Now fold the piece in half, good side to good side, and sew along this line. You can hand sew or use a sewing machine. Sew one of the other sides by hand using an accordion type stitch. Push the needle back and forth so that you have the bunched up fabric on the needle. Once you reach the end, pull it tight and wrap the thread around it a few times. Tie a knot and cut it off. Next, turn it right side out. Fill the bottom of the pumpkin with rice to give it some weight and keep it from falling over. Then fill the rest with stuffing. Use the same type of bunching stitch to sew it closed. Pull it tight and tie a knot, but leave a small hole for the stem. Next, poke your needle through the top to the bottom. This will leave the knot on the inside. Now pull the thread back to the top. Sew one stitch and pull it tight to make the sections of the pumpkin. Repeat this process until you have as many sections as you want. Lastly, hot glue a short stick in the middle as a stem. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.